Now this one is a tricky question. Anshul goes from A to B at 50 km per hour. How narcissistic of me to have used my own name in the question. Well, he returns to A at a certain constant speed. So he goes from A to B at 50 and he returns again to A at a certain constant speed. Okay. Which of the following cannot be his overall average speed? So depending on the speed with which he returns, his average speed will vary. It can be all of these average speeds except one, which we are going to find. The average speed can be a certain set of values, right? This is the impression that we are getting, as it could be 3 out of these 4 speeds. So average, we are going to get a set of values for average speed, right? There is going to be a range of values that the average speed can take. So one thing that I can straight away say is that answer is going to be either 40 or 100, as these are the two extreme options. So one out of these two options is going to be outside the range, outside of the range of values that we are going to get for average speed. Also, if he goes at 50 and he returns at around 30 to 35 kilometer per hour speed, then this 40 is the value that we can obtain for average speed. If he returns at, let's say, 5 kilometer per hour, then the average speed is going to be very less, way less than 40. So we can obtain average speed values less than 40 also. So 40 is going to be in the range, so it cannot be the answer. Okay, our answer when 40 is eliminated will be 100 only. You can mark this as the correct answer for sure. You can mark it as the answer with only logics, and that too within 10 to 15 seconds. Now let's solve this question in detail. Distance is constant here, so average speed will be 2 times s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2, which will be equal to 2 into 50 into s is the return speed, upon 50 plus s, which is equal to, let's check for this option whether 100 is possible or not. So I'm going to equate it with 100. Okay, now this will give me 100s is equal to 5000 plus 100s, or 0 is equal to 5000, which is definitely wrong. This cannot happen. This simply means that average speed of 100 that we have assumed is not possible. So an important point to keep in mind is that maximum average speed will always be less than twice of lower speed in any direction. Twice of lower speed in any direction. It could be going speed or returning speed, whichever is less. Twice of lower speed in any direction. Here, you cannot say that if the return speed is 150 km per hour, then the average of 50 and 150 will give me 100 km per hour. So this value I can easily get for average speed, overall average speed. Well, it doesn't work this way. You can only take arithmetic mean. 50 and 150, you got 100 by taking arithmetic mean, right? 50 plus 150 by 2. You cannot do this because you can only take arithmetic mean if time duration is given equal for two speeds. In this case, that's not true since it's distance that is equal, and you will have to take harmonic mean. You will have to take harmonic mean to calculate average speed. I hope you got this point. Do send your queries and feedback at support@gofodu.com. Thank you.